Aaron is very unhappy with being a client of his insurance company because of this very specific reason. And I'm going to share that with you on today's Denial of the Day. Aaron writes into us, after being with the insurance company for over 40 years, I was denied roof replacement. I was only offered a repair. After my deductible of $10,000, it wasn't eligible for them to repair. Doesn't make sense to me, but whatever. My insurance company, in my opinion, is an insurance company that is very disloyal to their customers. It is obvious that that's the case because of the increase in the severe storm activities. Our properties will be damaged. The insurance company made me regret that I am with them. Think twice about being their customer. So yeah, I mean, I get it, right? The thing that I say is this, is cheap insurance is always cheap until you file a claim. And once you have an issue at the property, a covered cause of loss, you can't then change insurance companies because the loss has already occurred. So the best thing you can do, in my opinion, is verify that you have the coverage that you need first and then the price that you need second. Okay? And I know that's an unpopular opinion, so be it. You should choose the coverage that you need first and then the price, because if you base it just specifically on price, you might not get the coverage that you need and then wonder why your claim's not getting paid because you don't actually have the coverage that you need. And if you don't have the coverage that you need, we can't do a lot for you, right? Because that is a decision that you made to have the insurance company maybe reduce coverage or not include coverage for that policy or the premium that you're paying. So I guess what I'm saying is this, is make sure you have the right policy first, and then hopefully the payment for the right coverage is something that you can afford to do. And I'll share this with you as well, is if you're working with an insurance company right now on a commercial or residential property claim and they're not paying the claim fairly, I want you to contact us and let us see what we can do to help you. BellatorClaims.com, contact us today.